So Max and I are up here fishing, and the access point that we were hoping to come in on was closed. So we drove around about 8 miles on a washed out dirt road top, and then that access point was closed too. So now we're hiking in. I think we've got less than a mile down to the river, to the creek. We've never fished here before, so we're excited to check it out. What do you think, Max? No?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. It's a beautiful day out here, beginning of summer. Hoping to get onto some beautiful little wild trout. Got onto our first little wild brown beauty.
I just caught a fish. That's my first spot.
Beautiful little brown.
Good for a river.
Nice.
I just caught another one.
Yeah, great job. Get your net. That's the biggest one today.
I just caught some crawfish. These things are beauties. I caught one of those small thingies, but a little more big. Okay, I caught another brown.
That's 3 brown trout for Max.
So I just caught 2 of those weird striped things. They're actually, I'm just scooping in the